Walking in the door, did you see the news? Neo-Nazis are marching, they're hating on Jews, carrying torches and guns, and creating a scene. Do these dummies even care about the chaos they bring? Where was CeCe's passport when he landed on sand? Caucasian's the only one that belong in this land? Taken by force, putting natives in graves. The country was built on the backs of slaves. When politicians ain't working and just not pulling through, the people come together and do what we gotta do. America was founded on the belief of equality, one nation under God and a whole no apologies. I'm American and proud and I stand for the fight. Justice for all, not just the outright. It is my observation instead of inspiration. He's dividing this great nation, promoting devastation by avoiding condemnation, instead manipulation and a brazen accusation that the other population had some very fine people too. The diversions, the distractions, the collusion in the games. Fake apologies, body language that's the same. Who are you, Mr. 45? You should be ashamed. Your white supremacy and ego really needs to change. Muslims are afraid to embrace their religion. Middle Easterns embarrassed to say the name. Blacks are persecuted for their outward appearance, and yet the elite are the ones who complain. And that's just at home. You're encouraging hate. You're dividing a nation and creating heartbreak. Make America great again is your campaign. To when were you referring? When slavery reigned? And not to the environment you staff in war. How could you be so quick to dismiss our shores? Global warming is real and it's a valid concern. Stop being so ignorant, figure it out and learn. You puff out your chest and you blurt out your words. How repugnant and cold and offensive your verbs. Suggesting how a war hero was captured and not liked. Your party needs to take away your platform and might. Got respect for your staff, do it damage control. Turn and bite them back like an ungrateful mongrel. Claiming that you're loyal to every American, but yet you offended almost every Republican. Supposed to be the people whose backs that you cover. Wouldn't be surprised if you turned on your mother. Turn and stab anyone and flip on a dime. Sorry, Mr. President, you're a waste of our time. There's legislation to pass and healthcare to reform. Just look at the polls, they prove you underperform. So quick to be provoked on the brink of war. You have nothing to lose when the missiles on our door. You have bunkers and safe havens and walls of protection. What's even going on? There's so many clouds of deception. It's a future that he's playing with so carelessly like toys. Rampant tongue, irrational actions will kill our young boys. That's my brothers and my friends who are all at risk. Wine sipping a Miralago while watching Playboy clips. And then there's the election, you're like a dog on a bone. You keep gnawing on the issue, you won't leave it alone. Yeah, we know you won, but that remains to be debated. If ever it's in question, your voice gets escalated. If I yell loud enough, then that makes me right. I turn orange red and I will shout and fight. How can one be so cold and one be so mean? Money can't buy respect. Oh, wipe your hands clean. The abuse and the bullying, the deceit and the blame are trademarks of yours, synonymous with the Trump name. The Apprentice was a show that brought him glory and fame. Let it get to his head, now hang it in shame. He brags about his ratings and his number of Twitter followers. And all y'all that applaud him, y'all a bunch of swallowers. But still I have hope, I beg he can prove me wrong. This stuff ain't funny, we need a president that's strong. Mr. 45, you need to hear our cries. We need a leader, not a tyrant. Stop telling us lies. If killing your nation is what you're all about, you need to go elsewhere. Kill me out.